Hi everyone.
Hey.
Today we are going to configure this router Huawei. We want to configure it into access point. So first of all, now I'm just going to clear this notification. So for now, I'm just going to click the wireless router. Okay, this one. Alright, is now on. So let's configure it into access points. As you can see, we have no internet here. Okay, so after that, go to your browser, any browser that you are using. For me, I'm just using Chrome. Okay, so type 192.168.1.1, then you type enter.
Hey.
Okay, the default username of this router is telecom admin, and then the password is admin telecom.
Hey.
Sorry, confirm. Okay, so for now we're going to configure it
Hey.
into access point. So the first step, you just click network. After that, we'll come here, type. For type here, we choose bridge, and then I will take all these boxes for LAN and for SSID. Okay, I've done it. Then service here, I choose internet. Then I click create here down. Okay, after that, we're going to the next step. Next step is to disable DHCP server. Okay, so I will click LAN address setting here, and then DHCP server. I will disable this box and this one. Okay, then I will click submit. After that, we're going to change the mode of our router here. So I will click administration. Then as you can see here, we have uplink mode. So I'll click uplink mode. Then here we have phone uplink. This is for fiber. So for us, we're just using Ethernet uplink. So I choose uplink.
Hey.
Okay. After that, sorry. After that, I will submit. After submission, our router will reboot. For a few seconds, we are waiting for it to be on. So let's wait for a few seconds. So dear, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and tips. Let's wait. It's still I'm looking here for my AP is still off, so very soon. Okay, waiting for it. Let's wait. So make sure you click the subscribe button down. Okay, as you can see here, our router is now on. So let's go back in configuration. So make sure you choose again our SSID.
Hey.
Let's connect first. Still not yet. Let's wait for a few seconds. Still not yet. Yeah, this one. As you can see, for now we're just connected. So this router right now has an access point. So let's try for 5 gigahertz and